The air is thick with the metallic scent of blood. Yellow tape marks the boundary between life and death. Inside, chaos reigns. Overturned furniture, scattered papers and silence. The victim is gone. The perpetrator vanished. Police officers stand grimly, knowing the answers are hidden in this room. Every object, every speck of dust could hold the key to justice. The real work is quiet, meticulous observation, interpreting the language of fingerprints, fibers, and blood spatter. These are the silent witnesses, impartial and unyielding. Forensic scientists give them a voice, blending scientific rigor with imagination. Each question about a broken window, a muddy carpet, brings them closer to the truth. The evidence here will build or break the case, relying on cold, hard fact. In the aftermath of violence, forensic science transforms chaos into clarity, making the silent witnesses speak. Long before DNA or fingerprints, forensic science began with observation and evidence. In 13th century China, Song Sai, a judge and physician, wrote The Washing Away of Wrongs, a manual for coroners. He solved a murder by identifying the weapon as a sickle, narrowing the suspect pool to local farmers. Song Sai ordered all farmers to lay their sickles in the sun. Flies gathered on one blade, drawn by invisible traces of blood. The killer, exposed by nature itself, confessed. Song Sai's method showed that even the smallest detail could reveal the truth. His work laid the foundation for modern forensic science. Observation, patience, and trust in evidence, these principles endure. The natural world became the first silent witness, revealing what the eye could not see. The 19th century brought science into the courtroom. Poison was a favored weapon until Mathieu Orfila, the father of toxicology, developed tests to detect it in the body. His work secured convictions, proving murder with chemistry. Meanwhile, Alphonse Bertillon introduced anthropometry, identifying criminals by body measurements. This system was soon surpassed by fingerprinting, championed by Sir Francis Galton. Fingerprints unique to each person became the gold standard for identification. These advances, poison detection, measurement and fingerprinting, revolutionized crime solving. Science made it harder for criminals to hide. The age of forensic certainty had begun. The 1980s brought a seismic shift, DNA fingerprinting, discovered by Sir Alec Jeffreys. DNA's uniqueness allowed for conclusive identification. Its first use settled an immigration dispute, proving a mother-son relationship beyond doubt. Soon after, DNA solved the Narborough murders, exonerating an innocent man and convicting the true killer, Colin Pitchfork. DNA evidence could now both convict and free, transforming justice. Cold cases were reopened, old crimes solved. DNA became the gold standard, its reliability unmatched. National databases allowed matches years after a crime. The genetic revolution made justice more precise than ever. A moment of scientific curiosity changed the world of forensics forever. Today, crime scenes are both physical and digital. Criminals leave digital footprints on phones, computers, and online. Digital forensics recovers deleted data, reconstructs timelines, and uncovers motives. DNA analysis is now faster and more sensitive, solving cases from the tiniest traces. Vast databases and AI-powered tools enhance investigations. CCTV, facial recognition, and genetic genealogy work together to identify suspects. The integration of genetics, data, and AI makes escaping justice harder than ever. Forensic science now unites silent witnesses of the past with the powerful voices of the digital age. The pursuit of truth continues, more relentless and more precise than ever before.